An insurance policy I visualize like a book. It has a declarations page, which is going to outline your coverages, your limits, your premium, the basic necessities that you need to know about the policy. But there's much more to it. Now remember, this is a legal contract. This is an insuring agreement. There's a table of contents in about usually 4 to 5 pages in that is important for you to understand and know, because it contains your exclusions and it contains your endorsements. So if you visualize the foundation of a house, an endorsement will build onto that foundation, an exclusion will take away from that foundation. If you're a private investigator or a process server, some exclusions you really might want to look into are, you might have a firearms exclusion. I've seen people get into big trouble with exclusions. Typically you're going to see a firearms exclusion. How many of you guys carry? About half, okay. So if you carry and you have a firearms exclusion, throw the policy out. It's not gonna cover you. A lot of policies have subcontractor exclusions, and you need to read that form very carefully to understand what your requirements are if you're using subcontractors. If you are in violation of the contents of that particular form, and every form is going to be a little bit different depending upon the carrier, you run the risk of having your claim denied because you were not in compliance with the insuring agreement. Endorsements, on the other hand, build up your policy. Some endorsement examples might be assault and battery coverage. They might be sexual assault coverage. They might be care, custody, and control, which is you having property of others, and if they're damaged, you might have to pay out. So it's really important when you look at your insurance policy or you're making a decision to purchase an insurance policy, especially in this business profession, that you really take the time to understand what it is that you're buying and how that policy is going to trigger if a claim does arise. Otherwise, you could be paying thousands of dollars for really absolutely no coverage. So at the end of the day, treat your insurance policy like a book. Understand that there is a table of contents in it. It will label policy forms, and it will label the title of the policy form. Look at that form, read it, get counsel opinion if you need to do so, but know what it is you're purchasing and how that insurance policy is going to affect your business if it's a result of a claim.